The 2026 John Deere tractor stands as a symbol of modern agricultural evolution, blending classic American engineering with next-generation farming intelligence. Its bold stance, signature green body, and powerful muscular frame give it a commanding presence in any field, from open plains to tough rural landscapes. Every curve and contour reflects John Deere's century-old legacy, now refined for the future. In 2026, John Deere engineers focused on precision, efficiency, and farmer comfort more than ever before. The tractor's updated front grille, laser-cut air channels, and redesigned LED headlamps give it an aggressive and futuristic identity. Its structure improves aerodynamics and cooling, helping farmers work longer hours without mechanical stress. The cabin of the 2026 John Deere is a masterpiece of comfort and technology. With noise-canceling insulation, air-suspended seating, and panoramic glass visibility, it gives farmers a cockpit-like experience. Touchscreen dashboards, digital controls, and AI-powered guidance blend seamlessly, allowing even complex tasks to feel effortless. One of the biggest upgrades is the advanced autonomous steering system. This feature uses satellite mapping and AI to guide the tractor with inch-perfect precision, eliminating human error and boosting productivity. Farmers can set the path, monitor the tractor remotely, or simply enjoy a smooth and relaxed driving experience. The 2026 model's engine is a refined powerhouse. Designed for maximum torque with lower fuel consumption, it delivers impressive pulling power even under extreme conditions. Whether plowing heavy clay soil or towing massive equipment, the tractor remains steady, strong, and responsive. John Deere also improved the hydraulic efficiency, making the tractor more compatible with a wide range of implements. From planters to plows to sprayers, the machine adapts effortlessly, reducing downtime and increasing versatility in the field. Fuel economy takes a major step forward in 2026. Optimized combustion cycles and smart fuel injection ensure more work gets done with less diesel. Combined with the new EcoDrive mode, farmers can maximize output while cutting running costs significantly. The updated transmission system offers smoother shifting, quicker response, and silent operation. Farmers immediately feel the difference during long working days as the tractor's movement becomes fluid, almost gliding through tasks that once felt heavy and demanding. Durability has always been John Deere's hallmark, and 2026 strengthens that image even further. The chassis is reinforced with high-grade steel, designed to withstand harsh terrains, high loads, and constant field vibrations. It's built to endure years of non-stop agricultural activity. Maintenance on the 2026 John Deere is easier than ever. Quick access service panels, improved diagnostics, and app-connected performance tracking help farmers identify issues early and perform routine care without complexity. It's a tractor that looks after itself, so farmers can focus on their crops. The tractor's smart farm integration system brings all farming operations into one digital environment. Farmers can view real-time crop analysis, soil health, weather updates, and equipment performance, all synced through the tractor's onboard computer. It turns the tractor into a mobile intelligence center. Once connected to the John Deere Operations Center, the tractor becomes part of a larger ecosystem. Farmers can share data across machines, monitor multiple units in real time, and ensure synchronized farm operations. This 2026 upgrade truly modernizes the entire workflow. Comfort during long working hours is essential, and the tractor's redesigned climate control ensures a perfect environment even in extreme weather. Hot summer days or cold winter mornings feel manageable inside the sophisticated cabin. Attention to detail is evident in every corner. Soft touch materials, ergonomic control placements, and refined insulation elevate the tractor from a simple work machine to a premium agricultural companion. Farmers feel valued, respected, and supported. The 2026 John Deere also introduces new safety features: 360-degree camera monitoring, blind spot alerts, and rollover protection ensure operators work confidently in all situations. Safety remains a core priority as farming environments become increasingly demanding. Lighting upgrades allow farmers to continue working late into the night. High-intensity LED beams illuminate wide areas with clarity, reducing eye strain and improving nighttime productivity. It transforms the dark fields into well-lit working zones. The tractor's suspension system has been fully updated, offering smoother rides across bumpy fields. Less vibration, fewer jolts, and a more comfortable operator experience contribute to higher efficiency throughout the day. John Deere placed significant focus on sustainability in this model. Low-emission engines, recyclable materials, and eco-friendly coatings reflect a shift towards greener farming practices. It shows the company's long-term commitment to environmental responsibility. The tires of the 2026 model feature improved traction patterns, designed to grip soil without causing excessive compaction. This preserves crop health and enhances field performance during planting and harvesting cycles. The air filtration system has been enhanced to protect operators from dust, pollen, and field pollutants. Clean, fresh cabin air makes long-duration tasks healthier and more pleasant, even during heavy agricultural seasons. Precision farming tools are deeply integrated into the tractor's brain. Automated row tracking, seed placement analytics, and soil depth calculations help farmers achieve unmatched accuracy in every operation. Its efficiency taken to a new level. Connectivity remains a key strength. With 5G-ready hardware, the tractor can communicate with drones, farm sensors, and other machines instantly, making the entire farm smarter and more synchronized. Farmers will appreciate the tractor's customizable interface. From layout to control sensitivity, everything can be adjusted to match operator preference. It feels personal, intuitive, and empowering. The 2026 John Deere's braking system has also been modernized, offering stronger grip and shorter stopping distances even under heavy towing conditions. Safety and control go hand in hand. The tractor's noise reduction technology creates a quiet haven inside the cabin, allowing farmers to work without fatigue. The engine hum is smooth and refined, adding to the luxury-like experience. Accessory support has been expanded. Farmers can add extra lights, tool carriers, communication devices, and field monitors without complicated wiring. It's a machine built to grow with evolving needs. Even the aesthetic appeal has been elevated. The glossy green finish, bold yellow accents, and modern decals give the tractor a fresh yet iconic look that stands out proudly in any farmland. As the sun sets, the tractor's soft cabin lights and calm driving dynamics offer a sense of satisfaction after a long day's work. It feels like a reliable partner, always ready, always strong. Ultimately, the 2026 John Deere tractor embodies power, intelligence, comfort, and durability in a way